feel it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short? You know.
Welcome back to a special edition of Rose and Gold.
Exactly.
I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely and devilish co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Let's get straight into our hot gossip for today, starting it off with the Lakers.
Exactly. So, for the Lakers, they had a strong win recently, and Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg had something to say about this. We're going to put in the clip right here. What are your thoughts?
Dr. Ross, with Dr. Dre and them, thumbs down. You guys are irrelevant. Just keep doing you and live your life. Stop trying to go on a podcast.
Dr. Dre...
With LeBron James and everyone else, we want to congratulate you guys on your win because we saw that it was a little shaky in the middle, but we saw that you guys pulled through and you finally managed to win.
Exactly. All I want to say is, though, for me, personally, I just want to say, Dr. Dre, shouldn't you be focusing on your divorce with your wife right now and trying to stay in that court so that she doesn't steal all your money? Because she is getting scandalous and scandalous.
That's right. But let's move straight into our next hot topic with Miss Salma Hayek.
Exactly.
So Miss Hayek passes the torch with a wild snake dance in a bikini. What are your thoughts on the scandalous Miss Hayek, Dr. Ross?
Well, we were just talking about scandalous women, and now we have the Salma Hayek. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I think Salma Hayek is a beautiful, gorgeous vixen. And so if she's going to put on a snakeskin suit and start dancing around in her house because her billionaire husband's bored and he's off somewhere else, I commend it. Congratulations to you.
And for Miss Salma Hayek, we've got scripts for you. That's
Films
for you,
too.
babe. That's
And
right.
movies.
That's right, Dr. Ross. We'll see you in the streets of Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive.
Speaking of the streets, Kelly Ripa has emerged once again because, I don't know, she was a little bit quiet after saying she was going to go naked for her birthday. We haven't been hearing about that. We haven't seen it yet. But basically, Kelly Ripa went out in some tight pants and she pretended that she was examining chips and her fans got mad about it. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
With the fans, they need to chill out and sit down. Because with Miss Ripa, she's trying to show off her curves and do her. With Miss
Exactly.
Ripa, we commend you. You would be great in the Born to Mac. Because we know that you have some of the freak of the week.
Exactly.
Congratulations, Miss Ripa, as well.
That's why
for
we're
showing
doing-
off.
Exactly. Keep on showing off Kelly Ripa because we know you won't stop. And that's exactly why we put on the song with Megan Thee Stallion and Cardi B. You all know it. The WAP for the ladies, the young ladies that we have mentioned today in our topics.
That's right. And today, for the Rose and Gold, we're keeping it short and sweet. But Dr. Ross and I, we heard that there's a new season of The Bachelorette. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Because we will be talking about The Bachelor and The Bachelorette.
Sharon Stone, actually, I was reading about this. Sharon Stone said that she's had it with dating. She's just done dating.
Are you dumb?
And with Miss Sharon Stone, she needs to stop going around and whining. Because she's been on multiple sets and seen many guys. Because right now, you know that's fake. This is a thumbs down from Dr. Ross and I. Because
Thumbs down.
maybe if you stop bitching, then the guys would start coming towards you. But by you doing this, you're running them away.
What's Too Short's favorite word? You guys already know it. But we do want to say, I don't know, since Black King Sebastian, you're right. Sharon Stone is just whining around. Usually girls say this when they want a guy to come after them more. But I was going to say, join the Bachelorettes then. Do it, Sharon.
That's
Do
right.
it.
And if that doesn't work for you, I'm always available.
Yeah, boy.
These were all of our hot topics, but let's get straight into today's horoscope.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Today's horoscope is Libra. At last, you put an end to a dream and instead allow it to become a reality. The more perceptive side of your nature enables you to use all of your persuasive powers to convince other people of your plans and ideas. To all of our Libras out there, happy birthday.
Exactly. And everyone get ready for Scorpio season. Not to take the attention away from Libra season because happy birthday, Libras. But Scorpio season will be coming up on October 21st.
That's right, Dr. Ross. But for all the women out there, that's for you, Kylie Jenner too. We out. We'll catch you on the next song. We'll catch you guys on the next song.
Yo, Zico.